Are you looking for the best 4G alarm system? Tuya Smart Home Wi-Fi? In this video we will look at some of the best 4G alarm system Tuya Smart Home Wi-Fi on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, PGST PG103 4G alarm system Tuya Smart Home Wi-Fi. There are absolutely no monthly fees, installation costs, or contracts required. Buy your equipment up front and self-monitor. Everything you need comes in a box and works in any small business, house, condo or rental apartment. If you want to avoid the tedious process of running cables on your property or have tenant contract restrictions or want to avoid spending money on a professional installation, this system is for you. Number 2, Awapow wireless vibration bike alarm with remote control. Wireless vibration alarms with remote by detecting gentle touch, push or beat vibration triggered remote control, range up to 25 M10 levels, adjustable sensitivity, low consumption design, which makes it can work at least a year. Alarm need 2 AAA batteries to operate, not included. Remote need a 12 volts/27A alkaline batteries to operate, included. 4 mode: arm/disarm/panic/doorbell mode. Number 3, HTZSAFE solar beam sensor driveway alarm system. Solar powered, no wiring, no need replace battery. The outdoor weather-resistant solar beam sensor is powered by built-in rechargeable battery, and the battery will be charged by the built-in solar panel on rainy or cloudy days. These is also a charge jack at the back of the sensor, which can be also charged by DC 5V DC 12V power adapter or powered by extra solar panels if the sensors will be installed indoor or some darkness areas. Number 4, Staniot Wi-Fi 4G wireless security alarm system. Built-in siren and buzzer. Built-in 105 decibel siren and buzzer. The sound is loud and penetrating, letting you know the abnormal situation in your home at the first time. Anti-fingerprint touchscreen. Anti-fingerprint design, long-term use without leaving fingerprints, ensuring the screen is clear. At the same time, there is a cleaning mode in the system. After selecting it, the screen will be off for 1 minute, which is convenient for cleaning. Number 5, PGST Smart Life Alarm System for Home Wi-Fi GSM Security. Built-in 11 languages, free to switch. 2.4-inch TFT colorful screen with man-machine interface. Added wired zones. Unclosed door and window reminder. Low voltage alarm reminder. Wi-Fi plus GSM or 4G networking. There are 2G and 4G versions. Choose according to your needs. Support for APP push, voice monitoring and other multi-channel alarm way. Support APP remote control and parameter setting.